Open up the lighting tutorial drawing and set the view so you can see the design in both 2D and 3D. From the 3D menu, choose Saved 3D Views and Living Room Lighting. That sets our view based on a pre-saved view, and you can always adjust that later. We should be looking toward the fireplace in both 2D and 3D. From the 3D menu, choose Lighting Options. You can also click the Lighting button in the 3D window. We'll adjust the sunlight brightness and the ambient light in the design to replicate nighttime. Click the Electrical Plan tab, and from the Electrical Tools group, choose the Fixture Lights tool. On the Properties pane, choose the top light style, the recessed light. Position the cursor at the center of the light position and left-click to place the light fixture. In the 3D window, click the Render Preview button to render the lighting. You'll see the light illuminating the room and floor under it. If I choose Ambient and render it, you'll see that it casts light throughout the room. We'll turn off the ambient light, and now talk about the settings. The dimmer switch does exactly what you'd expect. It changes the brightness of the light fixture. The radius affects the spread of the light cone coming from the light. The fall-off affects the crispness or hard edge of the light pattern, so the lower the fall-off, the more like a spotlight effect you'll get from the light fixture. Higher fall-off has more diffuse light around the perimeter and looks more natural. Widen the radius just a bit. The glow affects the little light that's actually at the light fixture. It does not affect the illumination from the light at all. There's another type of light that can be adjusted in the drawing. Let's turn the sunlight and room brightness up again. And we'll turn off the light for now. Now click Lighting. You'll see both direction and angle displayed. The direction is which direction in the plan the light is coming from. So in this case, we want the direction of the light to come in those south windows. The angle affects how high or how low the sun is in the sky, which will affect how far into the room the light will stream. So we'll do a final render. You'll see the light stream from the windows into the room. Depending on the final presentation of your drawing, you may wish to adjust that. At any time, you can go back to our lighting settings and you can change the direction or the angle of the sun. So we'll change the angle just a little higher, which means the light will stream in just a little bit less. And you can also adjust the overall brightness in the room. The later in the day it gets, a little bit less ambient light in the room from the sun. We'll go back to our 3D lighting settings. This time, we'll click the Lighting button in the 3D view window to access the lighting settings. You can adjust the brightness down just a little bit and the intensity of that sun coming in up just a little bit, and we'll render it one more time.